Okay, so my name is Andrew Koch. I'm the general manager here of Sustane Chester. Yeah, so Sustane is a relatively new company. It's only been around for a little bit. This site here is the first of its kind in the world. Sustane itself runs on a couple different proprietary technologies to do the separation. So this site really here is a startup. It's a pilot plant, still proving out technologies, making some really great progress in the materials that are coming out of here, both in the biomass side and in the fuel side. Yeah, that is Sustane. And, our goal is not just to be a one-off site. It's to have multiple sites throughout the world, wherever municipalities are interested in having a site like this near their waste management sites to be able to recover the materials. Yeah, so I guess the bioeconomy represents, well, there's a couple of things. There's stewardship of the planet, right? So there's obviously economic opportunity. You can't do sites like this without having some economic payback. But really, for us, it's the core of trying to support the planet, make the planet sustainable for future generations. So that whole bioeconomy is all around creating spaces for our kids and grandkids to be able to grow up in a clean environment. So that's where Sustane is trying to play a role in that. It's similar to what you'd find in different industries, but we've all kind of moved towards this involvement in the bioeconomy almost from a moral need to be part of a solution. So again, my background is metallurgy. I've moved through a bunch of different industries, fiberglass, food, but now I've landed at Sustane and really hoping to be part of that longer term solution. I think the first part about that for us here at Sustane is just an awareness that we are here and that this represents an opportunity. So for us, how it's going to help Sustane is just get the word out. Whether it's through this type of kind of Q&A or any other kind of option we have through Careers in Sustainability. So awareness of Sustane Chester, awareness of Sustane Technologies, but I think even just awareness that there is this whole bioeconomy that's starting to develop, and to encourage people that are going through both the school systems and it could be from other careers and other experiences that there's a lot of opportunity and a huge amount of growth in this industry. Not just with Sustane in the future, but this industry as a whole is just growing. Well, certainly it's we will have probably 20 to 30 people in this plant when we're up and running. Our goal right now is we are trying to get to a full 24/7 operation. So certainly from an employment point of view and the opportunity to bring kind of a new technology, kind of a homegrown Nova Scotian technology on the market. It's Sustane Chester could be a Sustane, insert another name of another community. So there's a lot of opportunity for additional sites like this within the province, within the country, and as we participate in this whole bioeconomy, it's where does this go? We don't know. So there's a potential huge impact on the economy, on employment. Yeah, Sustane, its original concept in terms of where the products would go, whether it's the biomass product or the fuel products, they had some early ideas where the customers for those would be. But certainly even over the last few years, and as more people learn about our products and more people learn about Sustane, we've had a lot of interest expressed from other parts of the economy, whether it's the agriculture side or whatnot. People just asking questions. So even though Sustane started as kind of a member of the bioeconomy, kind of working on that whole renewable energy, our products and our possible customer base is evolving almost monthly. So it's really exciting because we don't know where this is going to go. We know it's a good news story, and it's just how good can it be? And it's really where does this thing go? So that's kind of the evolution of Sustane even over the last 4 years.